Alright. Alright. Being the beast bum I am, I done laid out my shit. You know? And I guess you see my legs, but pretty soon you gonna see everything else as I go out here. They scared the motherfucker. Seagull. As I kick back, and watch these hungry motherfuckers eat without being ain't too many brats. The brats that are here look colored brats, and they're scared of the motherfucker. Little gal, cause mommy probably done showed them the birds, and so they're scared. You know, but birds want but one thing from us, like I always say, and that's food. Otherwise, they could give a fuck less about us. And the house we came in on. So I'm gonna kick back. as I lay here and get my rays and my suntan and birds they feed. It's like about, oh baby, feels so good. Look at him go, surfer, go, ho, 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 surfer, one way, oh, surfer, one way, good way he made, good old surfer, one way. Meanwhile, the birds are eating. Meanwhile, oh yes, the hungry bastards, they eat it, they eat forever. Yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I must be that man child here soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is good. I know they like this. Little bastards ain't fucking with them. You can all get some. Look at them, act like niggas. They can't all just sit here and let's get some. They gotta fight. Get the fuck out of the way. Them big motherfuckers come just jump in there and start pecking on them little ones. Get the fuck out the way. That's the way of the world, baby. The strong. All of them get a bit. Even the sky rats. Everybody gets it. Everybody gets some. For whom the lies? Oh, baby. Out of here, motherfucker. Get back, John. Back. Back. Back, John. That's it. Get back, you holy Yeah, just like people. Unfortunately. Oh well. That's the name of that tune. And that is another wonderful day at the beach. However, today I get to keep my beach towel because there are no colored gals looking for somewhere to sit. But it wasn't uneventful. I did feed my birds, and there are a lot. There's a few people, the hardest souls are here. So goes Jacksonville Beach.